Seeding is complete. Drill is parked there, ready to get unloaded. Still full of fertilizer. Do that tomorrow. Right now, we're in the Massey. We're going rolling. Right after seeding, it's a cool time of year, a unique timing where seeding is done, in-crop spraying hasn't started. There's always stuff to do, but it's kind of like bonus time. We've got the land roller out here. We're gonna roll some wheat. It's like 2-3 leaf stage. There's canola to haul, but you kind of get like odds and ends cleaned up. Not really a break, but you just get some stuff that was always on your list that you needed done. It gets done in these next 5 to 7 days. Get all the chemical in for in crop, get that ready. Sprayer has a little fuel tanks leaking, so we need that looked at. And then when we're ready for in crop spraying, then it's go time again. Oops. Swamp donkey. We've had this roller for quite a few years, but I've actually never used it. So I did a lap this morning with Dad, and he rolled for a couple hundred acres. And now it's my turn. We don't use it much. No peas this year, and then roll a little bit of the wheat where the rocks are bad. And Grandpa did some of the rolling, and Dad does some of the rolling. So this is my maiden voyage. So it's just a 50-foot roller, a right way. 3-plex, 3 roller. Unfolded, and the AB line is set. Took me a bit to figure that out. Now there's 2 things we're trying to accomplish here. First one is the rocks. Pick as many as we can. If you don't get them all, which we never do, push the rest in to make a nice smooth field finish. Number 2, roll the wheat at the 2 to 4 leaf stage. Sometimes it's hard to hit this timing. We're 2 to 3 leaf here because it stresses the crop just enough. And then it thinks, it kind of makes it mad. And then it thinks, oh boy, I gotta get going here. And it seems to grow like even harder after you roll it. Especially if you catch a shower right after, which I'm hoping one of these thunderstorms is gonna kick up eventually. It's been hot enough and humid enough, something should roll in. Catch a shower, then it really takes off. This wheat really grows hard after that. It could be a little bit deceiving. See where I've rolled, it knocks the stubble down so the wheat does look bigger. But I think where it is rolled, if you can get it here in the bonus time of spring, there is a difference. Now that guy should be picked instead of just pushed in every year. Now it is possible if you don't catch that shower, you stress this crop too much. But I don't think that's the case here. We seeded a little bit deeper, so it's in moisture. There is good moisture there. Even deeper yet. But say it was drier than it is now, sitting in that dry dirt, probably wouldn't roll it. It would be too stressed and cause more damage than good. But that's 1.5 inches down there. Still got good moisture here. Still wishing for one of these, keep the yield. Still hoping for a thunder shower tonight, might get it. I can't figure out my shading, but I know where I've been. At least I got my auto steer. I started on the land roller when I was a young buck, and I just had the light bar. So you just followed the light bar if you're off your line. If the line went left, if the light went left, you went left. If the line went right, you went right. Oh yeah, you can kind of tell on camera. There's the line right there. Right there. hard to believe that's as close as we could get a couple weeks ago. We don't go back in and try to seed sloughs. I don't know if that's even worth it to make a quarter of a pass around this slough to get all the way out here and tramp. Never really done that. Oh yeah, a couple good ones there. Header knife killers. I feel like I should be flicking something or putting the drill up and down, and there's nothing. Feels weird. Just the key, don't turn that off. Uh-oh. Somebody missed a part. Almost done. Just look at that wheat. Thick, heavy. No plugged runs. Looks good. It's taking me longer than I anticipated. Still be home for supper though. 3 passes left here. Look what's coming. Finally, that cloud is generating something. Couple drops on the window. Just like I planned it. Hey! Hey, what are you doing? Are you lost? It's a bear. Oh, there he goes.